Welcome to Stack Moxie Core Concepts Part 3 Web Starters. Today we're going to discuss the LinkedIn Analytics Starter. The LinkedIn Insight tag is used to match your website visitors to members on LinkedIn, making this a pretty important test. So let's go ahead and hit Create Scenario. We're going to navigate to our LinkedIn Check Insight tag. We're going to populate our website. Stack Moxie is then going to navigate to the website and pull up your Insight tag. You're then going to name your scenario, select your folder, and then hit Create and Run. It's really important to check your LinkedIn Insight tag because if this isn't working as expected, the retargeting of paid ads might not be working either. We also recommend running this test at least once a day. As you can see, the tool navigated to the website, check that your LinkedIn site tag fired, and that there was a page view for that ID.